Hey guys, this is Tim Doss from the Mountain Automotive. Today I have a 2013 Ram Laramie, clean Carfax, one owner, super nice truck. I'm gonna walk you around and show you some features on the truck real fast. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. There's no scuffs or scratches on the rims. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. Here's your mirrors. Now these mirrors are also tow mirrors as well too. You can fold these up if you need to tow something. And also we've completed a 150-point inspection on this truck. We also offer a 30-day powertrain warranty on everything that we sell as well too. We also have extended warranties if that's something that you're interested in. Now this truck is a non-smoker. There's no rips or tears in the leather seats. No cracks or fading in the dash. Now these seats are heated and cooled as well. Plenty of room in the back seat back here. Again, you have the nice black leather seats back here. No rips or tears in these leather seats. This truck's been very well taken care of. Another shot of your rims and tires there. This truck is equipped with a backup camera and you have a tow package on it as well too. And you also have the nice dual exhaust. Sounds great. You also have the spray-in bed liner as well. Super nice to have. Another shot of your rims and tires there. Again, no rips or tears in the leather seats back here. Guys, if you have any questions about this truck, my name is Tim Dawson. Feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. If you need more photos, another video, just let me know how I can help you out. I'll be more than happy to help you with anything I can. Now we do have the cow killer down there below. That's something we can take off if you don't want it on there. We're actually thinking about taking it off anyways. And we do have the fog lights right there as well too. I'm gonna hop in the driver's seat and show you some more features on this truck. Of course, you have power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. These seats are actually memory as well too. Again, you don't have any rips or tears in the leather seats. Auto headlights, adjustable pedals. Got the nice touchscreen inside. You're gonna have heated seats, cooled seats, and you're also gonna have a heated steering wheel. Built-in trailer brake as well. And the nice big backup camera. You're also gonna have push button start and remote start on this truck. Again, this is a 2013 Ram Laramie, clean Carfax, one owner. It's only got 61,000 miles on it. If you have any questions on this truck, please give me a call or text at 309-310-3034.